What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's Jared, and I'm back with another video. You guys already know. Uh, you guys know what this sweater means. I feel like every time I make a comeback video or a update video, I kind of wear this sweater because it's like a comfort sweater. But yeah, we're back, and we're. I'm gonna stop saying I'm gonna try to be consistent because my last upload was what, almost a month ago for Valentine's Day. That's right. Um, but yeah, so I don't have a real schedule for you guys when it comes to uploading my videos. It's more or less whenever I feel like it, which is pretty much a shitty way to go about it. But that's more or less what it looks like here. Ignore the background. We're just here talking at my desk. Um, so what do we have planned for today? Well, first of all, let me tell you guys where I've been. I've just been enjoying myself, enjoying the time with my girl. Uh, Kind of trying to find myself again as far as working out and shit like that. It's kind of hard to stay consistent sometimes, just because of the fact that when you are enjoying your time with somebody else and you trying to just straight up vibe out. It's kind of hard to remember that you have goals and you have you know something to work towards. And it's not saying that it's her fault. It's definitely not. It's all me. Um, I have been trying to get better, and it's been getting better with the way the weather's working now. If you guys live in New York, you guys know it's getting warmer. It's somewhere in the 50s right now, 51 right now. So you know, it's slowly getting better, which is easier for me to just challenge myself and work out. Now, another problem that I've been facing lately is trying to stay consistent in the gym. Now, the problem isn't necessarily wanting to work out, it's just wanting to be in the gym, which I feel that everybody has gone through that, where they just don't want to show up to their gym anymore, or just the gym in general, and be packed in. And with the way the weather's going, it's fine because now I have outdoors. So if you guys don't know, I am a big bike rider, considering that I learned about 2 years ago now, 2023, or I believe it was 2023. And one of the things that I've been doing is going on bike rides and working out outside in calisthenics parks. Now, if you guys don't know the area that I live in, there's a lot of parks. There's a decent amount of bike trails and just things of that nature, bike paths. And I've just been trying to do my miles, you know, get a workout in, body weight workouts, and then try to challenge myself like that. And it's been working. It's been doing very well. I've gained some weight, which is not fun considering that I've been putting in the work. But I can't say it's all bad weight because, I've gained some strength as well. And to gain weight but also maintain and gain strength means that I'm also putting on some muscle. So I can't be too mad. I can't be too against what I've been doing. So I just have to stick to the plan. So speaking of that, today I already finished 4 miles, 4.5 about. Uh, if you guys want to know the speed, I'll put it up on the screen right here. But the plan for today is to go on another bike ride later on tonight with one of my friends. If you guys follow me on Instagram and you guys see my story, then I was with him the other day for his birthday. Happy birthday, Pat. It's 2 days late, but I was already with you for your birthday. So, yes, we will be doing a bike ride later on today. He did download Strava, so hopefully he will be down to ride a little bit extra than we usually do, which is just about 2 to 4 miles. I want to do another 6 miles. Hopefully, I will remember to not only record my ride, but just record for you guys because I want to put out content. I just kind of forgot. But we do have some good plans coming up soon. When it comes to the bike and the bike ride, I'm about to go work on the bike right now, and I can show you guys what I'm gonna do. I did drop down my straight bars a little bit at an angle so that it could be more flat and so that I could be in a more aggressive angle because as I practice on my bike more, the easier it is, obviously. So I've been wanting to get more into like that aggressive road cycling kind of thing. But with a mountain bike, you kind of can't do that too much. So I've been trying to find little ways that I can do it without full on spending thousands of dollars on a road bike. If you guys understand what I mean, then you understand. But if you don't, pretty much trying to get it how I can. So let's go work on the bike a little bit. So we're back. I completely forgot that I have another bike ride tomorrow that's going to be somewhere around 20 miles. So what we're going to do is, if I don't get enough footage today, which I'm going to try to, but if we don't get enough footage today, that ride for tomorrow will be in today's video. But if we do get enough footage for today, that'll be its whole separate video, assuming I get footage of that one too. So, yeah. Where did you go? Come from?
I came from I basically crossed the bridge, the GW, from all the way in the top.
Yeah.
So that's the
From
highest.
the east side?
Yeah, that's like 1,000-foot elevation, I think it was.
God damn.
I'll check later in the thing.
What's Strava?
Yeah. Yo, if y'all want to do golfing, bro, this is the thing.
I've never been back here.
This is it. This is the main entrance for the golfing thing. So you sign up here, and then the courses are all the way over there.
Yo, I never knew this shit was all.
It's cool, right? Like, this is a very scenic, super vibey. So you never been back here?
No.
And you live around this area, bro, so it's beautiful.
Like, I've been in Van Cortlandt a bunch, but it's always been here, the front side, yeah.
Never the back side, yeah, I know.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't think it was always developed fully.
It wasn't as good as this, I know, but...
I also don't think the roads extended that far. Let me know when you guys are ready.
Are you ready? Actually, let me take a sip of water real quick.
From here, just a straight road, up nothing.
Just scenic views. This shit sounds like some SpongeBob music, I'm not gonna lie. It sounds like one of the future SpongeBob episodes. Future!
Oh fuck, hold up. Yeah, I fucked up my camera angle. Okay. Oh, we could go in our own car, right? Bye-bye. Yeah.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing some different kind of content from me. If you guys did enjoy the cycling content, let me know so that I can record more, post it for you guys. Because this was a fun video to make and experience. We did do about 15 miles. You guys will see you guys saw the thing in the video, of course. Yeah, so hopefully I get a GoPro or something like that similar, because I'm not the best cyclist. I'm not the best, balance-wise. So I want something that I could do hands-free without having to try too much. But if you guys do want any more content like this, please make sure you let me know down in the comments. And speaking of, make sure you comment what you want to see, of course. Like the video if you did enjoy, of course. And if you didn't, please, likes help out anyway. And subscribe, turn on those post notifications so that you never miss another video. I appreciate you guys for sticking through this video. I know it was a long one. Peace.